Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to set up your reminders on Evite. So just go into your sign into Evite and choose the profile option here on the top right corner. Your name would appear in such manner. Now click on my invitations. Once you click on this, it should bring you to a different page with all your invitations listed for you. Even and then you can even select the ones you are the host of or the ones you are the guest of. Okay, from here we can now set up our reminder. So once we just scroll and we've seen the event we want to actually set a reminder for, click on manage events. And once you click on the manage events, it should bring you to a page similar to this. Now, to set up your reminder, click on these three options here just beside the edit invitation. Then you see a section called event notification setting. Click on it. If you want to cancel your event, you can click on it here to on the cancel event. But since you want to set up a reminder, click on the event notification setting, and a different page would appear where we can set a reminder for the amount of days we want, or set a specific date and the amount of times you should remind us. Okay, so your notification, you will receive events reminders, get additional notifications for good. So schedule for up to 2 days events, up to 2 events reminders to the guests. So I can set the number of reminders I want before the event. Okay, I can set up to even 3 days, and you can set another one. So you can set up to 2 reminders a few days before or even more. So you have 1 2 3 days. So you can send a day before, 2 days before, 3 days before, and you can send it twice. So you either send first and date, maybe when it's 3 days, or when it's 2 days, or even when it's one just a day away. So once you are done, click on save, and your reminder has been set. So this is how to set a reminder on Evite. So if this video has been helpful to you, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.